Magandang umaga. Bali, barangay, ano po ito?
Kawas.
Kawas.
Alabel, Sarangani Province.
Town of Alabel in the beautiful province of Sarangani. That is Sarangani Bay. Very beautiful, and a beautiful thing is happening here in Barangay, in the town of Alabel. We have here the LGU, the MENRO, the Integrated Coast Management Unit, working together with the people's organization in this barangay to protect this mangrove forest, 11 hectares with 13 species.
Yes.
Take a view of that. That's a pagatpat, one of the bigger mangroves here. But what we are planting now is a smaller mangrove. They call it here tungog. And I just planted a mangrove. Maraming salamat sa LGU ng Alabel. Maraming salamat sa People's Organization. Ano nga po pangalan ng People's Organization niyo?
Kawas, Boundary Reserve and Farmers Association.
One of the many people's organization in this province, helping to propagate and protect the mangroves along Sarangani Bay. Kung saan nahuhuli ang mga tuna? Ganun ba?
Yes po.
Wow! Talaga, good. So, you know, protecting the mangroves, this also serves as a nursery. And also, as we have seen with the experience of big typhoons, they also protect us from storm surge. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.